So friends, today I'm going to be unboxing some accessories for the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus, which you should definitely buy. So I will put the link in the description, and I bought these from AliExpress at a very good price. And these are must accessories to have for your MSI Claw 8 AI Plus to protect it, because it's a very expensive handheld. So the packaging is a little bit damaged, but we'll see if the cover case is okay inside it. So as you can see, for Claw 8 AI Plus. So let me just quickly open this. So yeah, let me just quickly take out the cover case and let's see how it looks like. So far the quality is looking amazing, guys, honestly, and it comes with a little kickstand on the back, and the cutout seems to be really well made. So let's see. Let me just quickly put the cover case on and see how it looks like. It's very easy to install the cover case. Here, as you can see, guys, looks amazing and doesn't add that much bulk to the console as well, and in my opinion looks stunning. And it also protects your console, so which is the main thing that we want to do. So yeah, guys, looks amazing in my opinion, and yeah, it fits really well, so we don't have any gap issues. So let me just quickly take out the kickstand, and here, as you can see, it is at a fixed angle. So but honestly, guys, I'm not complaining. In this price range, it is a really nice cover case that you can get for your MSI Claw 8 AI Plus, and I highly recommend this. Now let me open the second package that we got, and both of these accessories I got from AliExpress. So I will put the link in the description, so if you want to purchase these, you can buy from there. And here is our second accessory, which is essential. I wish that they put this in the box for free, but let's see how it looks like. It's a carrying case, and let me just quickly take the plastic off. So yeah, it's a leather case, carrying case. I don't know if it's leather or pleather, but yeah, the material feels like leather. So let me just quickly take a quick look at it. So here is our carrying case. It has some marks there, I don't know, it's kind of weird, but yeah, honestly, guys, it's an okay carrying case. At this price range, I cannot complain, but still it looks amazing in my opinion, and it's gonna protect the console, and then you can easily carry it. So here's the zipper to store some of the cables, if you like to store a USB Type-C cable. I don't know if you can store your charging adapter here. I believe you can. So yeah, look, the build quality is, honestly, guys, it's amazing. There were some marks on the top, but it's okay. Here, as you can see, that's how you put your console in. And yeah, I believe you have to put it the other way, like this. So yeah, it's really a nice case in my opinion, and these two are essential in my opinion. If you want to protect your MSI Claw 8 AI Plus, you should buy these accessories, guys, trust me. You don't want to risk you don't want to risk breaking your device or having scratch if you drop it somehow. So yeah, get these accessories. And yeah, it looks really nice. The carrying case also looks really nice here, as you can see. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, click on that like button. It really helps the channel a lot, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And please do share this video if you like my videos. I will be making a full review of the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus, and I'm going to be testing some of the games as well as how it runs. So far in my testing, the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus is one of the best handheld consoles that you can currently get right now. If you like this video, guys, please leave a comment down below and click on that like button. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.